Good day everyone, my name is Carijul Ulumanta, a student of Jose Rizal Memorial State University, an aspiring businessman and inventor today. I'm excited to talk about the important topic. Our topic for today is about industrial organization. This will teach us how industry are formed, managed of and structured to the contribute economic growth. Number 1, what is industry? An industry is a group of businesses of organization and produce goods and services. Industries are vital countries' economies because they create jobs, support innovation and drive nation of development. Sample, industry, isa sa kumpanya nga naatanan sa nana dito kanang factory industry kanang naang sa palibot sa area. Number 2, level of industry. There are different level of industry. Let's talk about major one. Number 1, primary industry. This involves nature of resources and farming, fishing, and mining. They accept raw materials directly from nature. Example, isda, tuloy, gigama sa og sardinas. That's raw ang kuan niya, ang raw from ang nature gikan sa dagat. Dayon sa dagat to kuan to raw materials gigama sa og tinapa. Then secondary industry. This industry talks raw materials and manufacturing into products like car product factories on construction companies. Tertiary industry. Ang ikatulo, this focuses on services rather than goods like banking, education, and heating care. Then number 3, organizational structures. A type of industrial organization has the hierarchical structure. Top management. A top management, CEO, director, they are strategic decisions. Sila may mag-handle sa tanang mga process sa tanang middle management, department head, they are manage operation and report top management. Operational staff, ang worker, employees perform day-to-day tasks. Kinahanglan na itawo nga naa dito sa area. Number 4, important department. An industrial organization has several key departments, each playing a crucial role. Number 1, human resource management. Ang HR mo na siya, human resource. They hire, train, and manage employees, ensuring the company has best workforce. Kinahanglan ng HR mo kuha sa og tawo nga kabalo o iyan ang i-trainingon para makabalo unsa ang role sa mga patakaran sa isa ka industry. Number 2, finance management. They are manage companies' money, budget, financial planning to keep operation running smoothly. Ang finance mo na siya hatag og budget, pilay budget sa kuan, pilay budget karon nga ato ang ipagawas nga kwarta, siya may mag-manage tanan sa kwarta. Then ang ikaduha, marketing department. They promote product, services, help and company to connect to customer and grow classes. Ang baligya mo ni siya ang marketing, mo ni siya sales talk sa mga unsay product niyo ibaligya sa mo promote unsay ang iyang buhaton. Sige sa og sales talk para mahalin ang iyang product. Research and development, ano sa gitawag R&D. They innovate and improve products and processes, helping a companies stay competitive. Number 5, summary and conclusion. In summary, industries are essential to our economy. Understanding how they are organized and managed is key to our success. Growing at different industrial levels, organizational structures, and important departments help us appreciate the complexity and importance of industry. Organizational. Thank you for your time and hope you guide value and sight of